In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by going into Play Store and installing your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini browser. When your apps are ready, you can go into Devices settings right away. In Settings, choose Apps and Notifications. Click on Default Apps, and then, in my case, Browser app. Lastly, tap on your new downloaded one in order to apply it, and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!